Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a mosaic puzzle effect in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the layer panel and background layer copy. Right click on the layer, choose convert smart object. Then go to the filter menu, click on the filter gallery. Click on the texture to stained glass and follow the process. Again, go to the filter menu, click on the stylize to emboss and follow the process. Right click, emboss layer, normal to overlay. Again, go to the filter menu, click on the noise to add noise. Radius 10. Then OK. Now we make a mosaic puzzle effect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.